Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the iLift system for the 2017 Acura NSX. So here in this demonstration, the suspension can be activated in order to clear an object. So here we can see from this video here, as we slow it down, the suspension raises the vehicle and then it proceeds to lower the vehicle back down to the regular driving height. So now let's go ahead and check out the iLift system for the Acura NSX from the website. So we can see here that the setup is offered in front only, which if you do a manual setup where you activate the system with the cruise control button, it's roughly $4,000. Now, if you want to bump that up to the front and the rear in manual mode, that's roughly $5,400. And if you want to step it up and go ahead and add those automated sensors in there, you're running roughly around $6,200 for the system. So let's go ahead and see what they've listed out here on the website. You can see that you can control raise and lower the vehicle from the control switch. So that's pretty cool. You got here pictures of the top mount, a picture of the air control assembly, and a picture of that assembly mounted into a location in the front of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and see what they list out here in the description section. So we've got high performance technology. The iLift system lifts your car faster with smaller, more compact components compared to any other system on the market. It's got an intelligent ECU with Wi-Fi. The intelligent iLift ECU constantly monitors system parameters, including system pressures, to optimize system performance for your vehicle. Use Wi-Fi to easily configure your system wirelessly. Okay, well, it looks like I will need to go check out this app. So you got durability and you got automated sensors. So my car does not have automated sensors on it. It would be nice to see them sell those sensors separately and include an installation instructions on how to get that integrated into the system. But here you can see everything that comes in the kit. It's got a nice little spot for mounting here. The compact trunk mounted air tanks is pretty slick how everything is mounted in stock locations, so to speak. Everything is mounted with the addition of some screws, I believe, is what I had seen. So this is the iLift system for the 2017 Acura NSX. I must say it is a pretty neat system. I will add in those sensors probably operate pretty nice, where it just detects the object and can raise that vehicle pretty quickly for you. So let me see if I can download the app. So I'm here looking for an app. It's not actually an app. You have to connect to the ECU through Wi-Fi. So you turn on your vehicle. You don't have to actually have the engine running, but just power on the ignition. Connect to the iLift network name. Here is the password to get in. Then after you get in, open up a browser and log in with 1.2.3.4. And then you'll be prompted to log in. And here is the default password, which is admin. Once you get in, now you can see here, there's various different things that you can do while in there. I'll go ahead, boot up the phone, get connected, and we'll show you what's going on from that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app. We'll start with the system setup. You can see here you have various settings for the axles. You can see some of the weight settings that can be put in for both the front and the rear axles. And then the speed source. So to note, this will activate at 25 miles an hour or less. Okay, so then we get into the switch settings. Different settings in here for the switches. That's pretty straightforward. We'll go ahead and we'll jump into the next setting, which is the automatic sensors. So if you have the automatic sensors in here, these are the settings that you can configure for those sensors. So we'll go ahead, we'll go back. Then after the sensors, you got some advanced features. Here are those features for the advanced section. Then we've got the system utilities. And then we've got the about section. So that in essence is the full functionality of the configurations through the web application. Once again, want to thank you guys for stopping by the channel, checking out this video. I hope it was helpful to anyone looking into the functionality of the iLift system. Until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one.